Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we're gonna discuss about the comments. What are the comments? So basically, comment is used to giving some information about your program or giving documented information about your program. So comments are of three types. Just in written here. First one is single line comment, and single line comment we use as double slash here. So these comments used to comment your single line in the program. So for example, you want to comment it out, and you can just click like this double slash over here, and you will comment this single particular line. And now we will see what are the another type of comments. Another type of comment is multi-line comment. Multi-line comment we use to comment multi lines, for example. And what are the multi-line syntax? Multi-line syntax is like this and like this. Multi-line comment is like this. For example, if you want to comment multi-line, you just have to here and here. So this is the particular area we have commented out, and you can comment like this. And if you want to give some information about the program, you can comment it out, and it will not execute in the program. So basically the advantage of the comment is to use to giving some information about your program. And the last one we have is the documented line comment. Documented comment are used to document your program. So it is just like a multi-line comment, but it is used as documented comment. So here you will see the color changes, and this type of program you use to document your program. So what basically why we use this? For example, if you want to give some information about this program, here I can use like something like single line comment, that here I is a variable. And if somebody is new or somebody wants to mention while he is using this program, he knows that after reading this comment, he knows that it is a variable. So this is type of comment used to document your area or giving some information about the program. So that's why we use comment. I hope you will understand very well, and thank you so much for watching me right now. And please feel free to subscribe and press the bell icon for more updated videos. Thank you so much.